welcome to Tech Dream Gear. Hello, innovation seekers and tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Tech Dream Gear, your ultimate destination for exploring groundbreaking technologies reshaping the world around us. In today's episode, we're taking a closer look at a topic that's changing the face of agriculture: smart irrigation machines. From reducing water waste to enabling precision farming, these machines are leading the charge toward a more sustainable future in agriculture. Stick around as we delve into the cutting-edge technologies making it all possible. Let's dive in. The need for precision in agriculture. Water is the lifeline of agriculture, yet traditional irrigation practices are often inefficient, leading to wastage and reduced productivity. With global water resources under strain and the demand for food on the rise, there is an urgent need for smarter solutions. Smart irrigation machines are addressing these challenges by using technology to optimize water delivery and minimize waste. What are smart irrigation machines? Smart irrigation machines are advanced systems that combine sensors, IoT connectivity, II, and automation to monitor and manage water usage in agriculture. By analyzing soil moisture, weather patterns, and crop requirements, these machines deliver precise amounts of water exactly where and when it's needed. How smart irrigation machines work. 1. Data collection through sensors. Smart irrigation machines are equipped with sensors that measure soil moisture, temperature, and humidity. These sensors provide real-time data on environmental conditions. 2. IoT connectivity. IoT technology connects sensors, controllers, and devices, enabling seamless communication and data transfer across the system. 3. AI and machine learning. AI algorithms analyze the collected data, predicting irrigation needs based on factors such as crop type, weather forecasts, and soil conditions. 4. Automated water delivery. Using the analyzed data, smart irrigation machines deliver water with pinpoint accuracy, reducing waste and enhancing crop health. 5. Remote monitoring and control. Farmers can access and control their irrigation systems remotely through mobile apps or web platforms, making real-time adjustments as needed. Top smart irrigation machines revolutionizing farming. 1. Rainbird Smart Controllers. Overview. Rainbird's controllers use weather-based technology to optimize irrigation schedules, ensuring efficient water usage. Features: IoT-enabled remote control, weather-based adjustments, user-friendly interface. Impact: reduces water wastage by up to 50%, making it an ideal choice for both large and small farms. 2. Netafim's drip irrigation systems. Overview. Netafim systems deliver water directly to the root zones of plants, reducing evaporation and runoff. Features: soil moisture sensors, automated water delivery, integration with farm management software. Impact: increases crop yields while conserving water, making it a sustainable solution for modern agriculture. 3. Hunter's HydroWise platform. Overview. HydroWise integrates weather data and soil sensors to provide real-time irrigation control and monitoring. Features: cloud-based platform, advanced scheduling options, compatible with existing systems. Impact: offers farmers a scalable and efficient irrigation solution for various crop types. 4. GiantLogic Smart Farming Solutions. Overview. GiantLogic offers a comprehensive suite of IoT-enabled devices for irrigation and farm management. Features: AI-driven recommendations, detailed water usage analytics, compatibility with multiple crop types. Impact: reduces operational costs and promotes sustainable water management. 5. Paquaspi Soil Probes. Overview. Aquaspi soil probes provide in-depth analysis of soil moisture at different depths, enabling precise irrigation. Features: multi-depth soil monitoring, wireless data transmission, alerts for critical moisture levels. Impact: prevents over-irrigation and enhances water use efficiency. Benefits of smart irrigation machines. 1. Water conservation. Smart irrigation machines significantly reduce water usage, conserving up to 50% of water compared to traditional methods. 2. Increased crop yields. By providing consistent and optimal watering, these systems promote healthier crops and higher productivity. 3. Cost savings. Automation and efficient water use lower operational costs, increasing profitability for farmers. 4. Environmental sustainability. Minimized water wastage and chemical runoff contribute to protecting ecosystems and reducing the carbon footprint of farming. 5. Scalability and convenience. Smart irrigation machines are adaptable for farms of all sizes and offer remote management for added convenience. Challenges in adopting smart irrigation machines. 1. High initial investment. The upfront cost of purchasing and installing smart irrigation systems can be a barrier, especially for small-scale farmers. 2. Technical expertise. Farmers need training to effectively use and maintain these advanced systems. 3. Connectivity issues. Reliable internet connectivity is crucial for IoT-enabled systems, which can be challenging in rural areas. 4. Maintenance requirements. Regular maintenance and updates are needed to keep sensors and devices functioning optimally. The future of smart irrigation machines. 1. AI-driven optimization. Advanced AI algorithms will enable even more precise water delivery, improving efficiency and reducing waste further. 2. Renewable energy integration. Solar and wind-powered irrigation machines will make these systems more sustainable and cost-effective. 3. Blockchain for water management. Blockchain technology will enhance transparency in water usage and promote equitable distribution. 4. Autonomous farming systems. Smart irrigation machines will integrate seamlessly with autonomous machinery and robotics, creating fully automated farms. From reducing water waste to enabling precision farming, smart irrigation machines are transforming agriculture for the better. By conserving resources, increasing yields, and promoting sustainability, these technologies are paving the way for a more efficient and eco-friendly future in farming. If you're as excited as we are about the potential of smart irrigation, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Dream Gear for more insights into innovative technologies shaping our world. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next episode.